All right, moving on over to Housewives news. It's our Housewives legal story of the week. So according to paperwork obtained by Us Weekly, Real Housewives of Salt Lake City star Heather Gay and Monica Garcia have been in an ongoing legal battle since August, with Monica alleging that she got botched cosmetic procedures from Heather's beauty lab and laser company. So Beauty Lab and Laser Company initially sued Monica for breach of contract and breach of the covenant of good faith and fair dealing after she allegedly failed to pay about $2,500 for past cosmetic procedures despite signing a contract in December of 2019. So they indicate that Monica paid the initial $449 but failed to complete her remaining monthly payments. Beauty Lab alleged that the business suffered and continues to suffer significant losses and damages because of Monica's lack of payment. The company is seeking not less than $2,000. So she went on to file a countersuit in September, but it was amended on November 7th. She claimed that she received defective negligency given injections, which did not have the intended promised result, which is why she failed to make payments. Heather said this lawsuit has zero merit and unfortunately is a pattern of behavior from a desperate woman who, when unable to pay her bills, lashes out to avoid accountability. So does this lawsuit have any merit?
Oh, those housewives, Christina. Now they're suing each other. So,
yes.
You know, it started with a breach of contract case, right? Heather says Monica owes her about $2,000 in unpaid medical bills. And then Monica countersuits alleging medical negligence. I think I'm probably going to have to side with Heather on this one, and this is why. Regardless of what type of medical procedure you have, injections, filler, Botox, usually there's some informed consent. You discuss the risks with your doctor or your medical practitioner, and you agree to proceed notwithstanding the risks. We all know that cosmetic surgery and different types of injections, they're not guaranteed. And I bet you there is an agreement and there's some fine print where Monica acknowledged all this. And I think she's still going to be on the hook for paying the medical bills that she owes.
Right. So they're seeking damages not less than $2,000. So will she have to pay like interest on some of these payments at this point as well? Because she owes about $2,000 left in what she owes, but is she going to have to pay even more for this?
Potentially, yes. This is one of those areas where the contract is going to control. Let's say there's an interest provision or potentially even an attorney fees provision to enforce the agreement or to go after any unpaid medical bills. You know, Monica may be on the hook for even more than the $2,000 if there's a specific provision in their agreement that calls for it.
Right. If she can prove that she had these botched injections and things like that, does that change anything, or is a contract a contract and you have to pay for it?
Well, it would be with the offset, so she would still potentially owe the $2,000 unless she can say that the medical provider breached. But if she can't prove medical negligence, her claim is going to be worth a lot more than $2,000. Botched, you know, medical procedures on your face, they can be worth tens, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of dollars if it can affect her career going forward. So again, pretty tough legal hurdle to overcome. But if she does get there and does prove medical negligence, medical malpractice, then her case is going to be worth a lot more than $2,000.